The Oslo Mini is an LED tube profile suitable for a variety of applications. It can be mounted to walls or ceilings, suspended to create pendant light fixtures, or paired with a base to create freestanding tube lamps. One thing to watch out for when using the Oslo Mini is the width of your LED strip. It can only fit strips with a width of 8 mm or less. You can use end caps to give your lights that last layer of polish. These do clip into place, but for permanent fixtures you'll want to use our M155 glue, or an alternative. These clear clips discreetly mount the Oslo to walls and ceilings. We also offer these holding pieces, giving you more options when it comes to mounting the tube. Methacrylate is UV resistant, making the Oslo Mini suitable for outdoor applications. The Wired for Signs team will happily cut the tube to any length you might require, and if you're looking for a custom-built LED lighting fixture, contact our team for expert advice. You can shop the Mini and all its accessories on our site today to take your space to the next level. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.